Hello friends, this is first video of top Linux application series. In this video, I'm going to review one of the most intuitive launcher for Linux, that is Ulauncher. Ulauncher is free and open source software. It helps us to open any application or search anything from the web by just pressing Control and space and typing the required field. To download Ulauncher, go to its website. You will find the website link in the description. Now go to downloads. You will find there are different ways to download Ulauncher for different operating system. As I am using Elementary OS, which is Ubuntu based operating system, so I am going to show step by step way to download Ulauncher on Ubuntu. But I will tell how to download Ulauncher for other operating system too. In the Ubuntu section, download the Ulauncher Debian file. Now in the terminal, change the directory to the directory where you have downloaded the file. Now type sudo apt install dot / the name of the file and the extension .deb. Now you have seen the installation of Ulauncher completed. For Arch Linux, just copy the link and paste it in the terminal and you get the Ulauncher installed on your device. For Fedora, you have a link, just download the file and in the terminal just write this code and you are good to go. Remember to replace package name with the name of the downloaded file. In this case, it is ulauncher underscore 5.7.5 underscore Fedora. Ulauncher website contains tons of useful extensions which enhances its functionality to the next level. It's very easy to add an extension to the Ulauncher. Just open an extension you like. You will see a GitHub link. Just copy the link, or to the left you see an icon. Just click it, which copy the link to the clipboard. Now open Ulauncher. In the Ulauncher, go to Extensions tab. Now on the left you see an option to add an extension. Paste the copied link and press add. Reload the list and you see the extension to the right. It's that easy to add an extension to the Ulauncher.